Cardano has one of the most active staking ecosystems in crypto, but your experience is only as good as the wallet you're using. Whether you want to stake ADA for passive income, trade Cardano NFTs, or keep your assets secure long term, picking the wrong wallet can cost you. In this video, we're covering top 5 Cardano wallets for 2026. If you want the full breakdown of the full 9, I'll leave a link down below to our guide. Just a quick reminder, Coinly assesses these platforms based on publicly available information. Any information is accurate at the time of recording. This is not an endorsement of any specific provider, service, or offering. It is not a recommendation to trade or use any services. Users should still carry out due diligence before trading. Choosing a Cardano wallet comes down to 3 things: security, features, and how you plan to use it. Some wallets are built for simplicity, some for power users who want multi-pool staking and dApp access, and some for long-term cold storage. Here are the 5 that stand out most in 2026. Trezor, the hardware security pick. If keeping your ADA completely offline is your priority, Trezor is the place to start. The Trezor Model 1 starts at $69 and the Model T at $219. And both integrate with most light Cardano wallets, so you get hardware level security without sacrificing usability. It supports ADA, Cardano native tokens, and staking. One thing to note, multi-pool staking isn't supported. And always buy directly from the manufacturer, never a third-party reseller. Yoroi, the lightweight Cardano classic. Developed by Mergo, a Cardano Foundation partner, Yoroi is one of the most downloaded Cardano wallets for a reason. It's a light wallet, no need to download the full blockchain, with a clean interface, dApp connector, hardware wallet support, and ADA staking. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, it's a great starting point for anyone new to the Cardano ecosystem. Daedalus, the full node wallet. Created by Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Daedalus is the most secure and autonomous option on this list. It downloads and maintains the entire Cardano blockchain locally, meaning you're not relying on any third-party servers. Private keys are encrypted and stored on your device. The catch, it's desktop only, no browser or mobile, and it takes more time to set up. If you're a serious long-term holder who wants full control, Daedalus is your wallet. Number 4, Lace, the modern all-arounder. Formerly known as Nami, Lace is now developed by Input Output Global, the team behind Cardano itself. It kept everything users loved about Nami: ADA transfers, dApp compatibility, NFT support, and added multi-pool staking and, more recently, Bitcoin support. If you are a Nami user, migration is a single click. For everyone else, it's one of the most well-rounded Cardano light wallets available. Number 5, Eternl, the power user's choice. Formerly known as CC Volt, Eternl is built for users who want maximum flexibility. You can manage up to 24 accounts under a single seed phrase, delegate to multiple staking pools, vote on Cardano governance proposals, and access the full dApp ecosystem, all from one wallet. It's available as a browser extension, web app, and mobile app with hardware wallet support. If you want the most control of any light wallet on this list, Eternl is it. Those are 5 I'd recommend first, but there are 4 more worth knowing about. We have Exodus for multi-chain users, Atomic for asset variety, ADA Lite as a solid browser staple, and Typhoon if you want a dedicated staking center. They're all covered in our blog post, which I'll leave down below. So here's your final quick cheat sheet. For maximum security, pair Trezor with a light wallet like Yoroi or Lace. For full autonomy, Daedalus is the only full node option on this list. For more power stakers, Eternl gives you most control. For beginners, Yoroi or Lace are the easiest starting points. Okay, the tax reality of Cardano. One thing to keep in mind, staking ADA isn't just passive income. In most countries, it's taxable. Every reward you receive is a taxable event at its fair market value the moment it hits your wallet. Trading Cardano NFTs or swapping native tokens, those are taxable disposals too. Tracking all of that manually across multiple wallets is a headache. With Coinly, you just paste your Cardano wallet address and it automatically imports your full transaction history, staking rewards, token swaps, NFT trades, and calculates your bill in minutes. I'll leave a link in the description to get started for free. Whatever wallet you pick, remember the basics. Never share your seed phrase, always verify URLs before connecting, and buy hardware wallets directly from the manufacturer. If this guide helped you in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribe for more crypto content. If you need further assistance, I'll leave a bunch of different resources down below. All right, see you in the next video.